Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a hotel on the Royal Air Maroc application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your homepage and tap on the hotel button down below, and after that you should select your current location, then the check-in and check-out date, then select the number of guests and click on the search button down below to search for the available stays, hotels, apartments and so on. And it might take a few seconds, as you can see. You can also change the language and the currency of this site, and you can also turn on the search nearby option. So here you can see the available hotels, so tap on the relevant one that you find interesting and you can book the room. As you can see, here are the available rooms. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.